Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to view all content on Twitter. First, open the app or website and navigate to your home timeline. This displays posts from accounts you follow. Next, switch to the For You tab for a personalized feed based on your interests and popular trends. Finally, utilize the search bar at the top to find specific content, users, or trending topics. This helps you quickly locate what you are looking for. To broaden your content discovery, use the search filters to specifically view photos or videos related to your query. You can also explore spaces, which are live audio conversations where you can listen in or participate. Creating or following lists is another powerful way to organize your feed, allowing you to see posts from a curated group of accounts on specific subjects. This helps you focus on particular interests. For more control, adjust your content settings to manage sensitive media warnings, ensuring you see what you prefer. Employ advanced search operators like from username or minfaves 500 to refine your searches for highly specific results. Don't forget to regularly check the Explore section, which highlights trending topics, news, and events, keeping you informed about what's happening globally. These tools enhance your viewing experience. To truly maximize your experience, actively engage with posts by liking, retweeting, and replying. This interaction often brings more relevant content to your feed. If you encounter content you don't enjoy, use the mute or block features to tailor your feed and reduce unwanted noise. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring all the content available.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.